been since I've done this.
Yank it. Wait, lock the steering wheel. Take the key off. Yeah. You need help? You need help yank it? There it is. There it is.
I got that. Get in there. Yeah. Jesus. Te muevas, cabrón.
Look. One of these fits the steering wheel. I mean the horn. Now guide the.
It's a lot of guiding going
So
on.
you can guide the bolt in here, right? And then the wires in here.
I don't know, step bro.
Do like 2 kajigas and then we gotta look up the torque specs.
2 kajigas? Let's see. Kachinga. Can't get it in the hole, bro. Fit. Oh. Kajigas. You seen the kajigas? Hell yeah.
Look up that. And then look up the torque spec for steering wheel.
Too far. The Allen one, right?
Yeah. It's a hell of a way in.
Bro, I'm cool like you now. Airbag. Cool like problems. It's a scary moment.
Yes, it is. It's like,
yeah, I know.
it looks cool, but yeah, you could die.
yeah. I'm gonna do this thing.
You don't need that. He's in. Aquí. Now I'm gonna
Wow,
plug
you
your
speaking
battery.
Spanish to me, my friend?
Poquito.
It's happened to me before, bro.
So you're basically going to take off this plastic right here. Unscrew all of these.
When you push the button, does anything pop out?
So it's all the screws off.
Nothing on the side pops.
And same deal with the horn. You want to make sure the horn is actually in the wheel. And then, take the wires
Unless
out
I
the back.
take,
You can connect your yellow into yellow.
unless I
Okay.
take,
It's
oh! The ring?
yeah. See if it fits over the horn, and
steering wheel button is straight.
you have to take those wires up.
Tighten down the
Yeah. That's straight.
Turn all the way or no?
Yeah. Go ahead.
That's full lock.
What the next thing you should get is Megan inner tie rods. You get more angle.
Yep.
beast, turn the shit up. I'm chopping on the whole street for the breeze, gliding through the trees. I'm in the mood, baby, get on your knees. Big paw, long body, big jaw, gonna make you my prey. That's all.